the furniture to the side, it is time for Hoop Dance Flow class. Hey Hooper, my name is Deanne Love, and I'm going to need you to grab your hoop and get ready for hoop class. Yes, I am offering full-length hoop classes online that you can stream or download. Now, if you can't find a hoop class in your area, or maybe you need a little bit more inspiration, or perhaps you've been learning with me and you love the way that I break things down, then you are going to totally love these hoop class bundles. Each month when you enroll, you will receive 4 full-length hoop classes. Yes, we do a warm-up just like a regular hoop class, and then we get into the groove. We're going to focus on trick skills, transitions, and of course, hoop dance flow. Then we have a little bit of playtime, and then we cool down. It's just like you would be in a real class with me. And you will also receive in that month bundle a live Q&A session with me. This is really important for troubleshooting and just breaking down some of those areas that you're still not getting. It's okay. And then you will also receive a personalized playlist. I love making playlists for hoopers. So I'm going to leave all of the details down below and you can check it out there, but I can't wait to see you in hoop class.